All right, people, welcome back, Yes, we've got the mono sitting in the garage. The 950 is looking a million times better. And we are doing another quick one because I absolutely hate these flipping mirrors. Worst mirrors ever. They come loose, they've come off. I've even had this one come off on track. I've even had this one come off on the road. I did it with Go-Go. And in my previous video, you've noticed that the Gas had these little Gucci little mirrors down there. So I have been in touch with Stealth Mirrors who have sorted me out a pair. So let's go and check them out. So on the bench, here we have the box. I think it comes from America, the guy does. And there you go, look, Stealth Mirrors. Well, hey, so you got this, stickers, and I guess you got the little screws and bolts. So let's take this thing apart. Looks like some 3D printed gear. Looks like there's a little bit of adjustability there. You can adjust the angle of it, I guess. Little rubber doesn't scratch the bar. This goes on the top. And I guess these go on top and then go on the bike. So let's get the old mirrors off. Stock mirrors, get one of these, twist it off. And then this just spins off. As you can see, nice and easy. Whee, and that's all loose. Remember, boys and girls, the right side is threaded differently. So it only comes off this way. So don't over tighten it and wreck it. I've adjusted these so they sit a little bit lower. As you can see from the positions, a bit of blue Loctite. And the order which it goes on is bolt through the top, then the rubber, then through the bracket, and then into this thing. So let's just get the one side on. So that's on just loosely, very loosely. As you can see, it's the bolt, the bracket, the rubber, and then the metal, and then just clamps on. And then I guess once you're on the bike, you can adjust this afterwards. It's quite easy. So let's get the both sides on. So before you just tighten everything back up, just sit on the bike, make sure there's like clearance, you're not getting anywhere in the buttons and any wires that's behind it, so that's not bad. And just see if it's you can see, I mean, I'm sitting here and I can see past my leg there and past my leg there, and I'll just tighten these back up. So let's just try and get a wide angle look so you can see. Don't look too bad, does it? I may move these up and down a little bit later on, but for what it's worth, it's much better. So let's go. Stealth Mirrors, get in touch. I'll leave a link in the description. Right, cheers for watching. Thanks, like, subscribe, usual rubbish. Ta. Catch you later.